Hi everyone, welcome back to this tutorial. In today's video, we're going to be talking about dictionaries. What they are, how to access them, change them, add items, and remove items from them. We'll also be learning how to look through dictionaries and copy dictionaries. Let's jump right in. Here are the answers to the last video. Did you get them right? So now, create a new variable called create a new file called dictionaries. And remember to add the .py extension. So, if you're wondering what is a dictionary, it's not an English dictionary, but it's basically like an English dictionary, but with some differences. So just like in the English dictionary, it has a key and the value, which in the English dictionary is the word and the meaning. So that's how you can think of it. So in English dictionary could be, we could have a dictionary, a car dictionary, which will have a brand, which could be Mazda, and then a model, which could be CX5, and we could have a year of 2023, and lastly we can have a color, which would be white. You can add more to that dictionary if you want, but we're going to keep it. But that's how we're going to keep it for this video. Just like in lists, you can access items in dictionaries. If you don't know what a list, check out our previous video. So we can have print. So we can have brand. We can set to car dictionary at the brand. Model, which we can set to car dictionary and model. Year, which we can set to car dictionary model. And lastly, we can print brand, model, year, and its color. Let's run it. Mazda CX5 2023 and color white. We can also use the get, which will get you the same result. Just like this. So if you want to get the key, we can do print car dictionary dot keys, and then we can also have car dictionary and its values. We have brand, model, year, color, Mazda CX-5 2023 in white. If we want to change the item, we can change the brand. We can change the brand to, so we can have car dictionary at brand, at model, and we can set this to primacy. And then we can print our car dictionary, and I can see that our brand is Mazda and our model is now primacy. We can also do car dictionary dot updates, year 2024 to year to 2024 and color to black. Let's run it. We can also add items, and this could be car dictionary at engine. We can set this to, and this will add a new key and value. Now let's run it again. So instead of having this, we need to put this as an equal to 2.5 liters. Now let's run it. Mazda, model, year, color, and engine. To remove items, there are several ways to remove items from dictionary. So we can have car dictionary dot pop model, and then you won't have model anymore, and we can have pop item, which will pop the last item. But if you are using one before 3.7, then a random item would be removed. So now we don't have color because it's the last item. And if we want to delete the whole dictionary, we can have Dell car dictionary at engine, and we can also use this to delete the whole dictionary. And if we do this, then this will throw an error since the car dictionary doesn't exist anymore. So we can also loop through it, so we can have for key value in car dictionary the items we can print key then the value. So we'll have brand Mazda model CX5 year 2023 in color white. Remember in the other last video when we used loops. So we can also copy dictionaries just like we can copy lists. So then we can have car dictionary 2. Which we will set to car dictionary dot copy. So that's copying the car dictionary. Mazda, you can also print car dictionary 2 and that will give us the same output. And that's it for this video. Before you go, there will be a list of questions. These are the list of questions to test your understanding. Bye. See you in the next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share. And if there's any way that we can make our videos better, don't forget to leave them down in the comments below.